Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So today I have something I want to talk about that has been a complaint of mine since I first got into thermal hunting, which was back in 2014. And that is the fact that nobody out there has a scope at all that you can customize the name of your profile. You either get stuck with 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, whatever it is, but you can't go in and put that this is the 308 Ruger American, or this is my AR-15 made by fill-in whatever. There's nothing you can do about it. It's just, oh, that's profile A. And then whenever you go out hunting, you're having to remember, okay, profile A, is that this rifle that I'm using right now, or is that my bolt action? And it's a pain in the butt. It would be so nice if whenever you go to profile A, you could at that time or anytime go in and customize that and change that name. I mean, for God's sakes, you can do that with a game camera that you get from Walmart. You can change the name in a $40 game camera, but you can't change the name on a $10,000 thermal scope. Why not? I don't understand. It's just a software problem. It's not even a hardware. You could do a software update, and where that little wheel on the side of a Thermion, that's how you scroll through. That little compass on top of an Envision, that's how you move up right, left, right, and then select. I don't care what it is. There's a way to do it, but nobody has done it. Now, listen, I know I'm sounding like I'm complaining. Guys, I'm just tired of it. But really, this is an opportunity where if you have a quality assurance program and you're looking for a process improvement project, this is something that your people have been tired of dealing with this entire time. It's a software update that somebody literally just needs to sit down and write the code to where this function can make this happen, and people would love you forever for doing that. And that would be something that you as the thermal manufacturer are offering to your customers because you care about your customers that nobody else is doing. And you know what? It's going to change the whole market. Everybody's going to start doing it. So whoever does it first, I'm going to shout those praises because I have reached out to about dang near every single thermal company in some way, shape, form, or fashion, and nobody's ever done it. We were sighting in our deer rifles this past weekend, and my brother ran into this issue. And he was, started moving things around, and then we realized, I'm on the wrong profile. I got to basically start all over again. It was a waste of time. It was a waste of money. And somebody's better than this. Somebody out there is better than this. I want to know who it is. I would love for them to actually do it. So, guys, I love y'all. I hope this is helpful. I want to know, is this y'all's same complaint? I'm really thinking about making a video series on things that I have problems with in this thermal world. And this is the first one. Now, mind you, it's not just a problem. There's a solution to this. So I just really wish that somebody would listen and follow up on it. Guys, what are y'all's other complaints? This has been my #1 since 2014, and nobody's done anything about it. I don't even really hear people talking about it much. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope that this resonates with y'all. Love you. Take care. And guys, I'm glad it's always hog season. Bye.